I looked at the streets today and I was like, there's no way people are coming to the show. You guys were like, no, we won't make it. We bought our tickets ahead of time. Fuck. Oh, man. Oh, this is great, man. I'm feeling good. I just got back from the West Coast. I was out there. I was doing a tour. I was also skiing. With some people. We got any skiers in the audience? Yeah. Right here, huh? You were so excited about it. It's like you do it professionally. Oh yes, come on. I'll race you right now. do you ski like professionally?
Well, they used to race, but
like out west too. On the real mountains. Oh, you call it Blue Mountain, more like Blue Hill. You ski too, man?
Yeah.
Did you race?
No. Dot skiing.
Just what?
Dot skiing.
Just tot skiing? Tot like, was that? Oh, when you were
Kids.
a little
Kids,
kid?
yeah, little kids.
Or you ski with kids? I never got past pizza. Great, man. It's tried and true. Why fuck around? You don't have to turn when you're doing pizza. Just straight down. How you two doing? You guys good? You guys are a couple, or?
Yeah, we'll do that.
Yeah?
Yeah, we're doing that.
Somebody's slick over here. It's like a newer thing? No, long time. What? How long?
2.
2 years? How do you guys meet?
Hinge.
Hinge?
Yeah.
We've got a Hinge fan right over there. This guy wrote the disclaimer page. Did you guys meet on Hinge too? Yeah. Got some Hinge couples. That's cool. Awesome. What did you guys do as like a first date? Do you remember?
Yeah, it was COVID. We did a park hang.
Fucking cheap as fuck, right? Like, no, for real. I would be flying you to Paris, though. I would. You'd be like going into Paris, be bar hopping, back same night. I would have done that. But the circumstances did not allow. Hell yeah, you talk that game. Hell yeah. I like that, man. Killing it, man. A group of 3 friends here? Yeah? Cool. Everybody's drinking tea, we do edibles before the show? What happened? You know, driving in that snowstorm was real. I was like, we drifted, but I am the car. How you two doing?
Hey, we're good. Yeah, we're great. Try and fuck with this energy, man. We're fucking good. Okay? Yeah.
What do you do, man? What's your thing?
I'm chilling.
Chilling. Nice. Buddy's cards up right now. It's like, no, what do you do for work? What are you into?
I'm a rep for like LG Electronics, and then I do a little filming on the side.
Do a little filming on the side. For Toronto, you gotta have that side hustle, you know? You gotta have that way out, you know? Buddy doesn't want to be repping LG forever. What's the next move? Samsung? No, that's cool, man. You're doing some filming. What kind of stuff do you like filming?
So my friend's like a huge audiophile, so like we do a lot of reviews and stuff.
Nice. I don't know what an audiophile is. I didn't know you could be friends with one. Yeah, my buddy is a huge audiophile. His name's MP3. Sick dude, MP3, man. Yeah, you might have heard of him. Yeah, you might have heard of him. It's kind of a big deal. It's me being stupid, not you, okay?
Should have seen it coming.
Yeah. No, that's cool. So you do like reviews on stuff?
Yeah, like really like high-end like speakers and all that.
High-end speakers. Whoa. I don't know if the TVs are happy with that. Supposed to be repping the LG TV. What's going audio on Nice. That's cool, man. Awesome. And you guys are a couple, of course. How long have you guys been together? Well, that's cool, man. There's no way you could have predicted that question. I've only asked it twice. So. That's fair. Take your time, man.